This video answers the search how to buy shares of Pantheon Resources Plc and shows a practical example. Pantheon Resources Plc is an oil and gas exploration company listed on LSE plc under the ticker PANR.L. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy PANR.L, you need a brokerage account, and we use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the broker's search field and type the ticker PANR.L to find Pantheon Resources Plc on the platform. Select the correct listing from the results to open the asset page. On the asset page, you can review basic company information and an interactive price chart to confirm this is the Pantheon Resources share. Make sure the issuer and ticker match before proceeding. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until it opens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before final confirmation. After the order executes, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For the platform link and more details, check the description below.